Hello everyone. In this video, we have some requirement of the client that we have to show the initial project of that particular employee in particular week. So they have only three fields, which is date. Four fields, which is date, employee name, project, and sales. So if, for example, if an employee is worked in Amazon sales for the first week, then for that whole week we have to show it as Amazon sales only. If he worked in Amazon product, then for a whole week we have to show it as Amazon product. So let us see the data first by taking complete data. So we have only the example data I have taken. So this is the example data. Okay, we have only 4 columns. So let's see only 3 rows, for example. Okay, so what we will do is, first of all, we will convert this date to week. For example, here it is showing like 17/11/2025. So that week will be like from Monday to Sunday. So in that way we have to show the week. So for that I will be taking a week column as a new column. So what can we do is, we can convert this date to date time, pandas date time, and let's check whether it should show only that particular date. So we have copied that date to week. Now we will convert this date to that particular period, from Monday to Sunday. Okay, so here we have got like from Monday to Sunday. See, from 17 to 23 the week is showing here. Okay, now we got the week, and this for particular week, what we have to do, we have to show the initial project of that particular employee. So now the main target begins to show the initial project of employee of that particular week. Okay, now we will take a new column as initial project, which is shown in the header. Like in starting we have seen, right, the same name we have considered here. Now we will do df.groupby. In groupby we will be taking employee name and week, because based on these two things only we have to show the initial project. And now what we have to show, we have to show the project. So this is a project, and now we will transform this one to first, so that it will show the first project name. So now we got that Surya is working in sales. So here you can see in second week, see, like he worked in Amazon product for the initial days, and rest days he worked for Amazon sales, but for that whole week it is showing Amazon product. So this is the right way of showing as per the requirement. See, in starting 2 days he did not work for any project, that's why it will not show that one. Yeah, and he started with Amazon product, so it is showing Amazon product. Okay, now let us check the data only for Surya by filtering his name. For that we will take s as an variable. In that we use query function for data frame. So in that I'll be selecting employee name is equal to Surya. So in the same way which is showing in the screen, that way you have to type and you have to print s. So now it is showing only for Surya. So you can check in initial days he worked for Amazon sales, so the initial part is showing Amazon sales, and for the rest of the week, for the next week, he worked initially with Amazon product and continued with Amazon sales, but our target is to show initial project. So we are showing that Amazon product as for that particular week. So this is the requirement, and we successfully completed it.